If your recordings, transcripts, or folders suddenly disappeared in Otter.ai, don't panic. Yeah, in most cases, the data is still there, and there are a few simple ways to bring it back. First, refresh the Otter.ai page and sign out of your account, then sign back in. Sometimes your data does not load correctly because of a temporary account or browser issue. Next, make sure you are signed into the correct Otter.ai account. I mean, if you have more than one email address, you may be looking at a different account where your files are not stored. After that, open the trash folder inside Otter.ai. Sometimes a recording or transcript was deleted by mistake, and yeah, you can usually restore it from there. If the file is not in trash, check your shared and archived sections, so the transcript may have been moved instead of deleted, especially if you share files with other people. Still missing? Open Otter.ai in another browser or on a different device. Sometimes old browser cache or syncing problems stop your latest data from showing up. Finally, if nothing appears, Otter.ai may be having a temporary issue. Visit the Otter status page or wait a few minutes and check again, and that's it. One of these steps usually brings your missing Otter.ai data back. If not, then you may need to contact Otter support for help recovering the account.